Hello YouTube, it's me Tay, and welcome back to my channel. Today we will be doing another walk tour video, walking Jomtien Beach in Pattaya, Thailand. Right now I'm walking in the back area of Jomtien, so it's not really that many people. I'm not in the front area where it's a lot of tourists, but as you can see the views are pretty nice still. It's a little bit of people, but this is more of the low-key side. At nighttime, I usually see a lot more Thai people over here than I see foreigners, so that's good. But yeah, they have a volleyball court over here. They have jet skis parked over here, jet ski dock. So if you want a more quiet side and you want to go to the beach and chill by yourself with a companion, with your loved one, come to the back side of Jomtien Beach. Don't go towards the front part because there's a lot of space over here. They have smoothie stands. They have people selling food.
Hello Thailand Thailand
สวัสดีครับ
สวัสดีครับ
Yeah, as you can see, the people are very nice and friendly over here. It's all good vibes. I usually like to walk this area at nighttime. I'm not really here in the morning time, but thought I'd give you guys a walk tour and show you guys how it looks in the daytime. And for the most part, this isn't like the other beaches where around 1 or 2 o'clock it starts to get more packed and a lot of people start to come in. This beach usually stays dry, aka dead, for the most part all day. At least to me. You know, there's not a bunch of people lined up unless it's like family on the beach. But yeah, they have food stands, they have traditional Thai food here. There's not a lot to offer on this side, because like I said, it's the back side, Jomtien Beach, but it's still more the quiet side and the peaceful side of Jomtien Beach, in my opinion.
Hey CGM, where you at?
Every second that goes by, every day that goes by, I know you need me in your life. Put her in Chanel, not